I found a brand new way to make history shorts, but not just any history shorts. People will think this is a full-on movie. I made a video on this before, but it was the old-fashioned way. I wandered the YouTube world and TikTok and found a completely free way to make movies like YouTube Shorts. Yes, you heard me correct. We'll create YouTube Shorts but like full-on movies, and people tend to engage in history shorts since it's a history video. History is fun. So without wasting your time, let's dive in. Come to Chatgpt. I guess you already have an account. If not, sign up for free. Then write this prompt. I'll paste it in the description if you wanna copy it. This is the best prompt. Let's say you wanna make another video but don't wanna repeat. Say rewrite the script but don't repeat the previous script. It's confusing for us human, but AI got it. If you wanna, you can rewrite it on your own as well. But I'll say rewrite it with Chatgpt. Now ask Chatgpt to give us 5 prompts based on the script for the image generation with Leonardo AI. Then come to 11 labs and choose a voice that fits their video. I'll choose this and paste the script we got from Chatgpt and generate it. If you're happy, download it. Then we need images. You can use any image generator, but my personal favorite is Leonardo AI. Come to their website and sign up, and come to image generation. Paste this prompt we generated with Chatgpt. You might need to regenerate sometimes before finding the best one. I like this, so I'll download them. I'd say get 5 because we need people to engage with our video, and YouTube Shorts viewers have really low attention rate. I mean really low. Now editing. We will use CapCut for the editing. So open CapCut and import the voice and images. Now adjust the images to 4 to 5 seconds each and repeat. Click on the images, go to style and add 3D Zoom Pro. Apply to every one of them if you like it, or play with them and add different ones as well. I'll add 2 of this and 3 other ones. If you're happy, then add transitions between the images and come to effect. Add this fireplace effect and adjust it so it doesn't look like there is much filter to it. Then I'll add this movie type effect. Now come to text and add auto caption and choose this animation. This one looks the best, and click on the style and choose the bold font. I'll use elegant. Now come to music and add action background music. CapCut has this copyright free music and you're completely done with the video. It should look something like this.
During World War II, a secret team of Allied soldiers called the Ghost Army pulled off a crafty trick. They created inflatable tanks, trucks, and planes to confuse the enemy. These decoys looked real from afar and fooled the bad guys.
If you got any types of questions, make sure to comment and I'll help you. That's all for today. Subscribe if this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.